Hello, future whalers. Welcome to the syntax of code in Python, part 1. We're going to talk about different syntax, which is how we write code and how we want our code to look when we write it. So over here, we are going to go over a couple basic things. First, some background information that you're going to need. First, algorithm, a set of steps or instructions used in solving a problem. That is basically what our program is an algorithm set of commands. And then computer language, I gotta get my face out of here. Computer language, a human readable vocabulary and set of rules for building statements that can be interpreted or executed by a computer. Examples are Java, Python, R, Basic, C. Those are all different computer coding languages. You probably have heard of them in the past. All right, some types of code. We've got source code, object code, and then a compiler. So source code, the algorithm written in a computer, the code you write. Object code is a translation of the source code into machine language. It's executed by the computer. So typically it's binary. All those words that we type out, we turn them into ones and zeros, and then that's what the computer is able to read, because the computer can only read ones and zeros. And then a compiler, or to compile, is the translation process from source to object, so moving one code to another. All right. And now we got some little fun naming conventions. Whenever you make a variable, it cannot start with a number. It can only be letters, numbers, and underscores, though it cannot start with a number. It cannot be a reserved word. There are several reserved words, such as print. You saw what happened with print when we used that. And if, for, while, there's a bunch of reserved ones, but if you ever use those, it'll pop up a different color, and you'll be like, I probably shouldn't use that one. So then Python typically uses all lowercase separated by underscores. So you can see these examples of names right now that are my name, which should really be my underscore name, alphabet, all lowercase, and of course Lil Nas X, all lowercase with the spaces in between. Hey Panini. What a good song. Good song. Anyways, going on, we have got our last slide, which is good things to know. Comments start with the hashtag, and then strings can be enclosed in either two of these apostrophes, 2 quotation marks, 3 quotation marks on each side, or 3 apostrophes. Those are all different ways that you can write strings. Any other way, not going to work. Be careful not to mix these. You can't have an apostrophe and a quotation mark. Won't work. All right, thanks for watching. That's a real quick video on syntax.